In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect steering wheel to GTA 5 PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though GTA 5 does not feature native support for steering wheels, you will still be able to use it if you are on PC. This will be done through the use of mods. So the mod that we have to download is called Manual Transmission. So you have to download Manual Transmission alongside Script Hook. You will simply install these on your GTA 5 installation folder, and when you open the game, you will be able to configure your steering wheel through this menu. So all that you have to do is look for Manual Transmission on 5 mods and then click the option to download, and you will receive a zip file just like this one. So you will receive this zip file. The next thing that you have to download is Script Hook. So just scroll down and it is going to be over here in the requirements. So you will be redirected to this page. You click download, and then after this is done, you just have to extract these downloads on the game's installation folder. So for me, it is going to be on Steam Apps, Common, and then Grand Theft Auto 5. In here, just drag and drop everything. So you drag this bin folder, and then you drag these manual transmissions, docs, and gears.asi files. And once this is done, you will be good to go. You simply have to launch the game, and by pressing the brackets on your keyboard, you will open this menu. This will work for any steering wheel that you have. And to my knowledge, this can only be done on PC. So as you can see, you can press this button if you are using the US layout style keyboard, and it is going to be on the right of the P. Then when you press this, you will see the actual menu like this. You can enable it and then control everything. All of the instructions are easy to follow, and installation is extremely simple. Just make sure that you extracted all of the folders and files correctly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel to GTA 5 PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.